I'm Hey traders, I'm back. So let's quickly go and see where we left out, and I think we are about to go downside. So at this moment, I'm pretty comfortable to go ahead and take a put. Okay, assuming that it's about to break this particular range, I will put my stop loss here for a little quantity and the final one over here. So that's a plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and initiate a trade now, and of course, this is my first day. Let's try to make the best of it. So, what do I have here? Let me check. Okay, so this is what we have here. And in terms of banks, who is giving the pain? Axis Bank down, Bandhan Bank sideways, Baroda sideways, Federal Bank upside sideways, HDFC Bank. Oh, it's about to break on the downside. I see ICI Bank on the top. So this is what uh, this bank is actually holding the index as of now. Okay, HDFC Bank has given up in the last couple of candles, and that's the reason why we see a bit of a spike on the downside. But ICC Bank has a lot of weightage, and see, like I told you, this weightage makes a lot of difference, and you don't have to be caught on the wrong side. So Indus is down, Kotak is down, PNB is down, RBL is almost down, and SBI is on the upside. So SBI and ICICI Bank together can go ahead and pull the index up to 100 points on the top side, but they also have a capability to ensure that option sellers eat your premiums for whatever that you've bought right now. So again, we have come back to the range, and I just want to thank my stars that whatever position that I was about to take, I have not taken. So it's good to be on this side. But there is some interesting thing here that I see about the options too. So yeah, a small trend line. So there shouldn't be a problem here, and there is also a trend line here. So yeah, uh, any good confirmation, I'll go ahead with it. For now, I think because ICC Bank and SBI are on the top side, I'm still not interested. So let's hold our horses. Trading is all about waiting, guys. If you don't know how to wait, this is not a business for you, because people want to become very rich as soon as they start trading. That won't happen until unless you're patient. So remember, market is a medium who transfers money from an impatient individual to a patient person. So it's going to transfer a lot of money to me from whoever is impatient today. So I'm going to thank him later. That's what I'm going to do. And in the meanwhile, I'm just going to wait. All right. Not interested to buy a position as of now. See you around again.